Dreaming of the smell of fresh bakes and a queue out the door? Here's how to start a bakery business in Singapore, step by step. Pick your structure. Sole proprietorship is simple, but private limited offers liability protection and investor friendliness. 3E Accounting Singapore can incorporate your company fast and correctly. Reserve your name and register with ACRA. Open a business bank account, set up bookkeeping, and decide early if you'll register for GST. Mandatory at 1 million Singapore dollars turnover, strategic earlier for B2B. For a retail bakery or cafe, apply for the SFA food shop license. Ensure food handlers complete Food Safety Course Level 1. Plan your layout to meet hygiene and SCDF fire safety requirements, and check URA or HDBU's approvals. Home-based micro-bakeries must follow HDB/URA rules and food safety guidelines. Craft your brand, menu, pricing, and social channels. Soft launch with limited items, then iterate using real sales data. From incorporation and licensing to accounting, payroll, and GST. 3E Accounting Singapore does the heavy lifting so you can focus on perfect bakes.